Yeah.
I mean,
my bad.
like, you know, whatever. Miscommunication.
It's always
We all chased a different person and we just ran off them.
Yeah. Anyways, so where we want to run?
I think we should bum rush the
go,
point A, and then we could switch after. I'll switch to west. I don't want to spend like mad time dealing with the Rissa shield. If they have that bullshit, we just run on point.
Go Diva, dude.
Science will reveal the truth.
You want to do the...
No, Ryan. Man, Ryan.
What the fuck, Ryan?
I'm looking forward to working with you.
I can't get anyone.
Work over Winston, dude.
Like, what? Why do you want me to run Ryan?
If we're doing triple, we need a Ryan.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, let's just run on point. We'll switch afterwards.
No, Johnson. Go. No. Go Widow. No. Go Widow. Go Widow.
What do you mean? How is this triple?
Wait, why do you want triple?
You can try it.
Alright, there. That's
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
Try it.
We should run left though, so they don't see us so early.
Stay together.
So they don't know what the fuck we have. Alright, let me know before you charge, right? I got a shield.
Yeah. Actually, I actually prefer Johnson and the Widow for this one.
We'll
You can
switch
just-
it.
Yeah.
I'll switch after point A though.
Yeah, we'll switch after point. This is not good.
Alright.
Wait.
Take this fucker.
Get this fucking Hanzo! Alright, Hanzo down.
Alright, I'm on.
I'm gonna charge. Oh, I missed.
Oh, God.
Genji's low. Anna's dead. This is Genji. Sorry. That's it.
Yep, work like a charm. Wait, who's the one that got me?
I'm on fire.
Oh, that was Johnson. I saw
Johnson got
Break got me. Yo, the pole got in my way. I was gonna shield you, but fucking thing got in my way.
Watch the back. Watch your back.
I'm sleeping.
Yeah, just watch the back. Watch the back, Rod.
Zarya is really far. Zarya is really up.
Genji's really far up too.
That's right.
Tracer and back.
Surrender to my will.
Got the mercy. Zarya.
You fucking
Oh, yeah,
He just grabbed.
He wasted his grab. Bitch, stuck me.
Stagger this shit.
Just trace it, bitch.
There we go. Wow, they just blew 2 ults unnecessarily.
You have a jump.
Get a barrel. Wow.
Mercy down.
Nice.
Rise up.
I'm gonna switch.
Me too. I'm switching. Just use my ult. Wait, where's the switch? Oh, right here. I see this.
We might need to have good use of spam right here, man.
I'm on fire!
Oh wait, we already have 2 tanks, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go. Back.
Yeah, Barrett's fine. I'm pretty sure that Ryan has all. Come on, B. Yo, Anna's low.
Ah, Jesus.
Wait, lost. Back.
Yeah. Wait for him to come back. Ricky's not back yet. Alright.
But longer them from the back.
Yep, I'm gonna stay on the. You guys go.
Speed bursting.
Surrender to my will. Gale the Mahal.
God damn.
Never die. We must all make sacrifices in the name of science.
Enemies re-engaging.
Allow me to repair the damage.
Oh, it's tempting.
I know.
Need to keep this moving.
I'll just keep ramming them until like. Ready?
Alright, let's go.
Okay, okay.
Lost some traps.
Ready, set.
Up.
This will heal. Agone for the darkness.
I'm down.
I have secured the payload. Next.
Get out, Roger.
And I'm gonna sleep.
How did you guys?
I got grabs.
I'm
We
not
got
dead
shattered.
yet.
Shattered
like-
and grabbed.
Kill two of them.
Okay, it's alright.
Back.
Injured again.
Let's go front now. Let's go.
It appears we have suffered a minor setback.
See this time?
Get the make.
I will draw the strength.
Oh, shit. Yeah, focus is real, man.
Enemies re-engaging.
Surrender to my will.
Charging the shit out of this.
Zarya's low, Zarya's low.
Mercy low.
Oh, sorry, guys. Yo, man, we need a jump.
Yo, everyone's dead.
Justice reigns from above.
Alright,
I must
push,
reflect
push,
upon
push.
this.
Go. I'm gonna say high ground.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, lots of.
Allow me
Yeah,
to
there's
repair
a
the damage.
Zarya on the
Protect us.
shit.
Zarya's charge is insane.
Still dead.
Enemies re-engaging.
Group up with me.
Soldier, soldier,
Soldier.
Surrender to
Alright.
my will.
Yo, Zarya's fucking energy now is ridiculous. Every
Score 3-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Alright, I'm jump greedy.
Go junk, yeah. I'll go Zarya.
I don't know, man. Alright. I'd rather
what
you
do
go. I'd rather you go Winston. Let Rico go Diva. I'll go Brig. Susan go Moria or something. Because we're not gonna brawl very well with them on a point like that.
Science will reveal the truth.
Tripio.
Single off tank. You don't want to run.
Game on.
Yeah.
I don't like this lineup.
That's fine.
It is not my preference to see to matters personally, but I will see them done.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
All systems operational. Diva, ready for combat.
Yo, we've been losing every single Nepal game so far. With the last 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Really? Holy shit.
Yeah, we lost the last couple.
Today, today where it was like miscommunication.
2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
We strike as one.
Yeah, Genji.
Spam. Genji. Cross stab. What's their other DPS? Oh, there
Oh,
it is.
have a
Widow,
Widow.
Widow.
Back down, back down, get back down, get back down.
He's gonna take top left. Watch him top left.
Help me.
Got it.
Wind down.
You know what? I will go this time.
Mercy's low, Mercy's low.
I don't know.
Mercy down.
Put this feedback.
Call out the Widow.
Yeah, she's on main. Widow's down main.
Not yet.
He's gone.
She upstairs.
My will made real.
Nice.
Nice. Come back, Roger.
Oh, God.
Grab it ready?
Surrender to my will.
That's pretty low. That was worth it.
I'm on fire.
You slowed.
Alright.
You want Hans?
Have Hanzo and a soldier. You're on the high ground.
Oh no.
Injured again.
Oh, get out of there.
Oh, fuck. Didn't realize they were all there.
The whole team's there, man.
Nope.
Heroes never die.
Shit.
I'm on my way, I'm close, I have ult too.
Walk across the stars with your weapon. 60 seconds.
Repair the damage.
Alright, I almost got ults here. Use some ults to hold it if you have to.
Yeah, we're good, we're good.
Injured again.
I want to use my ult for the next push if
Hanzo top left.
we need it.
I can't beat.
How many people up there?
Someone dive him.
How many
Someone
people up there?
Dive.
He's down.
Nice. Come back, brother. We can't, I can't get to
30
you.
seconds.
Got the mercy.
Nice.
Your strength fades. Get into position. Restoring you.
Got
We're
wrecked.
running out of time.
Just push up.
Yeah. That's, they can't make it. Easy. I told you this didn't work, man.
Well, it's because they didn't have a brick. Winston is terrible against bricks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, against their comp, it definitely works. Switch. Look, they're disbanding their team. Getting into LFG.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't get played in the game. I feel like 4.
Did a lot of work there, Andrew. My stats are garbage.